Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you my builds and a game, a game on Roblox. I've worked a very long time to get these to work. Thank you for watching. Sorry, it's hard to record with one hand and play with the other. So, I have mechanics so I can open both of the doors. And then I can also put down the windows and back up. And then I can put the back window open and close. And then I have this. I can raise it and extend it and make it wider. So it's really a ramp truck, but I use it to transport cars too. I'm gonna modify it in a little bit so it has like things that can stick out. And that's pretty much it for that for this. This one, it's pretty much the exact same thing, just it has this and just the tailgate opens. Oh yeah, the steering wheels inside, they work too. And then this is my ramp trailer, which is just this, or just that, but this is skinnier and a little different. And it has, I came up with this genius way to make the cars attached to it. So basically you back the car up and then you can weld it basically to the car by clicking this and then just clicking that, and it'll weld it to the car, and then you can just drive off after you put these up, of course. And then this just is the same, just it doesn't have those things that extend off the front, and it's a little less wide. This is my racing trailer. So basically, come inside. We have this. This is my sister's basketball number, and it's also one of my favorite numbers, so I have that. And then you can open the back like that, and then put those out, and they just fall out like that. And then, what is that? Oh, never mind, it's because I'm, it's funny. Alright, so then, we get in. We have this very nice steering wheel that I made. And then, it's very fast. You can also flip it over, but it's very good at flipping itself back over. Get it in the trailer. Normally don't do this in first person, so this is gonna be a challenge, but I should be able to do it. Hold on, I'll be right back. I just attached the thing to it, so we should be good now. Now get out. can take this truck. That's hard to play like this. So I can't figure out how to get a screen recorder on my computers. So, and these only work on my computer, not on my iPad. So. We'll put down the windows, because why not? And then we'll drive over here. This is hard. But then, like I said earlier, you just select that floating piece. That's like a little clear or a little transparent, and then you click it and it should weld, and you can just, oh, I gotta put up the ramps and, oh. So we'll just walk on back here and boop boop. Go up. And you can just get rid of that. Then try to put down the back window, or open the back window too. Oh, also, oh, one of the things is stuck, but there's windshield wipers. I'll have to fix that later. And then there's a winch on the front, but that's not that interesting. I don't know why it's being so slow. Normally it's a lot faster. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye. See you in another video.